Ever struggled with flimsy camping tables that wobble or take forever to set up? Imagine a lightweight table that's rock solid, easy to carry, and ready to go in seconds. That's exactly what you get with this ultralight folding camping table, built to support up to 55 pounds while saving you space and hassle. What makes this table stand out? It's all about the steel tube frame reinforced with cross-bearing bars and a triangular support structure. That design delivers impressive stability, so your gear stays put whether you're camping, fishing, or hosting a backyard barbecue. Plus, the tabletop is crafted from medium-density fiberboard with aluminum edging, making it waterproof, scratch-resistant, and simple to clean. No more worrying about spills or rough surfaces damaging your table. I've used this table on several trips, and the folding legs design is a game-changer. It opens and folds in seconds, and the built-in carry handle makes transport effortless. When folded, it measures just 31.5 by 23, 6 by 26, 8 inches and weighs only 7.5 pounds, light enough to toss in your car or carry along on hikes without breaking a sweat. This table isn't just for camping. Its portability and durable surface make it perfect for indoor projects, outdoor picnics, beach days, and even as a side table at home. Wherever you need a sturdy, compact surface, this table fits the bill. And if you ever run into questions, their customer service promises a response within 24 hours, ensuring you're fully supported after purchase. If you're tired of bulky, unstable tables that slow you down, this folding camping table is worth a look. It combines strength, convenience, and durability in a lightweight package that's ready to roll whenever you are. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your outdoor setup and enjoy a stable, easy-to-use table every time.